Wiggle, wiggle, down we go. Ah, Johny, Johny.
Blue tube for the blue ball.
Red goes down the slide.
Whoop, whoop, get the red ball.
Building high for the yellow light. 3 green marbles racing down.
Purple marble spins around.
Ha ha ha, marble fun. Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa.
Hidden colors?
Yellow ramp goes click, click. Pink marble, go, go, go!
Green bridge for the final jump.
Who is faster, red or blue?
Red wins the marble race. I'm as fast as the red ball. Loop-de-loop for the marbles.
Open the gate. Open that.
Ha ha ha. Brown marble, drop, drop, drop. Orange looks like a sunset. I'm the king of the Marble Mountain.
Red in red, blue in blue.
Green marbles go home now.
Great job, little detective.
Elevator going up, up, up. Purple marble taking a ride.
Johny, Johny, moving fast.
Yes, Papa, reaching the top.
Red is leading, green is close. Whoop, whoop, run, marbles, run!
Green marble wins the race.
Green is the fastest color today. Good race, sister.
Red and green are both winners.
Johny, Johny, was it fair?
Yes, Papa, green was fast. 1, 2, 10, all colors here.
Marble Run, we love you.
Yellow connector makes it strong. Orange marbles for the sun. Yes, Papa, orange balls.
10 orange marbles, go! Purple versus yellow, who wins? Yellow is ahead, purple is stuck! Woof, woof, go purple, go! Purple wins with puppy help.
Best helper, Boba.
Ha, 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 Marble World!
Bye-bye, kids. See you soon.